This is LeetCode question 657, robot return to origin. This is easy question, let's get into it. There is a robot starting and position 0,0, the origin, onto the plane. Give a sequence of its move just if this robot ends up at 0,0 after it completes each moves. The move sequence is represented by a string, and the character moves I represent I's move. Valid moves are right, left, up, and down. If the robot returns to the origin after it finishes all of its moves, return true. Otherwise, return false. Okay, let's check with example 1. Example is up 1 and up down. That is, the position is the same as start point, so return true. In this case, left and left, so it is not same as origin point, so return false. How we can solve it? Okay, first we will make variable x and y, and if that is up, down, right, left, in this case, when it's the up, is the y is plus 1, and down is y minus 1, and in this case, right is x plus 1, and this one is x minus 1, and then finally we check x equal 0 and y equal 0. If this is satisfied, the result is satisfied this condition, we just return true, otherwise return false. Okay, let's implement it. First we need to variable x is 0, y is 0, and then for character in moves, if character is up, and we will add y plus 1. As character is down, we will y minus 1, and let's see if character is left, x is minus 1, as character is right, x is plus 1. And then return x is 0 and y is 0. Okay, let's check. Looks good. Okay, let's check complexity. Okay, let's character move is 1, and then it takes the same iteration with the length of moves, so we can say time complexity is linear, and space complexity is constant because there are no extra data structure in here. Thank you.